So Jamaica ended the World Athletics Championships with 10 medals, 2 gold, 7 silver, and 1 bronze, 9 medals for the women, and a face-saving silver for the men's 4x4. Creditable performance, all things considered. Of all those performances and those medals though, my favorite performance, not best performance or most outstanding performance, but my personal favorite performance was Brittany Anderson's brilliant national record 12.31 run. That was my favorite Jamaican performance of these championships. And obviously, it helps that I predicted a silver medal for Brittany Anderson in the sprint hurdles when most people did not. And obviously, there were many great performances by much more fancy Jamaican names, but it did take an insane world record run of 12.12 to beat Brittany Anderson, who is now officially one for the present and one for the future of Jamaica. Me don't need to say nothing more. My favorite medal, my favorite performance, and my favorite girl of these championships, Brittany Anderson.